Thanks to its innovative design, this Zips 360 features the SEMA award-winning GUNI Wheel X, a 5-in-1 tool that does the work of many with 4 interchangeable hubs and a unique spinning feature. Featuring 4 outer locking bolts that can be removed to turn the GUNI Wheel X into a spinning wheel, in which the outer wheel moves independently of a seized drum, such as in the case of a locked electric vehicle or car with drivetrain issues. In addition to the spinning feature, the universal wheel features an interchangeable center hub to accommodate multiple bolt patterns of all makes and models, thereby saving space and money by not needing to purchase and carry multiple replacement wheel sizes. Made from the same strong, powder-coated carbon steel material as the original GUNI wheel, the polyurethane tire is rated to 5 miles per hour and ensures an incredible grip and durability. The GUNI Wheel X is designed with a deep offset to account for larger brake calipers. Each GUNI Wheel X has an overall diameter of 24 inches and can maneuver up to 3,500-pound loads. There are 4 color-coded hub inserts, each with a diameter of 13.9 inches. The orange hub is for vehicles and UTVs with a 4 and 5 bolt pattern. The red hub is for vehicles and UTVs with a 5 and 6 bolt pattern. The black hub is for vehicles with an 8-bolt pattern. And the blue hub is designed for select GM-branded mid-size 6-bolt Imperial patterns. With your choice of lug bolt pattern, the GUNI Wheel X can be purchased as a single, set of 2, or set of 4. Use it as a temporary wheel for towing vehicles with missing or stolen wheels and locked or seized brakes. You now also have the ability to free up work bays by moving vehicles around the shop. Now automotive professionals like collision shops, auto repair centers, and dealerships have a new partner in vehicle positioning. Regardless of the situation, you will always have the right size wheel for the vehicle that needs to be relocated. Find the patent-pending GUNI Wheel X by shopping towing accessories on zips.com.